Here we are in south central Tennessee, near the city of Chattanooga, and we're heading to a place called Ruby Falls. The falls are inside a cave. Do you want to see it? Let's go! Almost to the exit. Just got off the highway. We're on this road and heading up a mountain.
She'll be coming round about the Ruby Falls. Ruby Falls. She'll be coming round about the Ruby Falls. Ruby Falls. She'll be coming round about the. She'll be coming round about the. She'll be coming round about the Ruby Falls. Ruby Falls.
Folks, there you have it. The 777 Heavenly Angels Jug Band. Give them a big round of applause. Well, anyway, here's the entrance to Ruby Falls, also known as Lookout Mountain. It's called Lookout Mountain because during the American Civil War, they used this as a post. We'll show you more views later. Right now, we're going to head in and get to the cave. Behold the wonders of Ruby Falls. Very nice architecture in the waiting area. And as Aerosmith would have said, going down! Yes, going down 260 feet, or shall we say 79 meters. This here is the original level of the cave and how the man that found this place crawled through. Everywhere I'm walking right now was actually carved out. You'll see a lot of areas that have been carved out. My wife is so short she can stand in that little area and not hit her head. We are walking a half a mile to the falls now, which is approximately 0.800 kilometers. This formation of stalactites is called the crystal chandelier. They have names for the certain stalactites of certain shapes. Let's keep an eye out. Maybe we can find some and name our own. The guide said this is flowstone, and it looks like a frozen waterfall. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you the Falls Room. We came to see something pretty. It was carved through naturalization and by men through techniques of modernization. Look over here to the rear, and you'll see water coming from the ceiling. Where it comes from is only in our imagination. Do you think this place is paradise? It certainly looks like it. You have to come to Chattanooga just to come here and take a visit. Folks, we're heading back to the elevator. I'm going to tell you about the song we just did. We thought we'd have some fun with that. It is a parody. And I found the music on YouTube. It was a karaoke song. It was called Pure Imagination. It came from the 1971 film starring Gene Wilder called Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. And there was a scene in that movie where they walk into the room and that music's playing and they have a chocolate waterfall. So that's what this reminded me of, and that's why I put that music to it with a parody. As we head out, you'll see a lot of the same stalactites and stalagmites that we've seen on the way in. There's only one way in, one way out. You'll see them from a different angle. This is the mirror pool, which is very beautiful. Look at that. Potato chips, bacon, steak and potatoes. All this walking made me hungry. Can't wait to get to the cafeteria. Was anybody else looking for shapes in the stalactites and the walls? I found some. I'll show you later. If you liked our video, please view some of our other videos. We have many to choose from. We've been to many places. You can view them all if you like. And we just like to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Please like, share, and subscribe. We are 777 Heaven. We could be found on YouTube and Facebook. So I told you I was going to show you some things I found on the walls. So here we go. A face, a seashell, a dog. Ew, a creepy thing. Look, it's sneaking out of the hole. It's got a hand and the head coming out. Nasty. Well, we're heading up to the top side again to breathe fresh air.
It's been a pleasure to have you as our guest at Ruby Falls. We love seeing your photos. Tag us with #Ruby Falls Cave. See
Guess I'm gonna tag them. Hashtag Ruby Falls Cave.
Need a quick snack to refuel? Check out the Cavern Cafe.
It's closed.
With award-winning...
Say what? Here's a quick look at the gift shop. Beautiful architecture, too. Here's the stairs going all the way to the top of the building. We're gonna walk all that, get some exercise, because we got a long drive. Guess somebody's out of breath. Here's a quick little view of why they called it Lookout Mountain. This is overlooking Chattanooga, which is in the Blue Ridge Mountains section of Tennessee. I'm from the Blue Ridge Mountains too, but from Pennsylvania. Let's peek over the edge. Not too high, but it's high enough. Folks, she thinks I'm taking still pictures of her. So if you ever want to have fun with somebody, tell them you're taking still photos and just take videos of them. Do you know what's there? Can you see them? Do you see what I see?
Where's Daddy? You miss Daddy? Yes, baby.
Can she speak? The puppy surely missed us, but we didn't miss these wild daisies. I have no clue what these flowers are. Look at the beautiful red leaves from autumn. We're heading down the mountain to the highway so we can head towards home. We hope you enjoyed the video, the view of the cave and the mountain area. Till next time when we meet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or you'll end up like this guy. Peace out.
Like,
Subscribe.
click the bell, please.